On this one, they give us a function, and they say find the value of all numbers and satisfy the conclusion of the mean value theorem. Okay, what does the mean value theorem say? Well, it says, first off, you've got the mean value theorem. It says, first off, you got to find the slope. And what is the slope? It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And remember, y values are x. So this is really f of x2, f of x1, because y values are f values. So, okay, so great. So what is x1 and x2? Well, you know, x1 and x2 are right here, 6 and 12, first number, second number. So this is f of 12 minus f of 6 over 12 minus x. So, okay, so what is f of 12? Well, in fact, actually, let's bring it down here. It's going to get a little bit more ugly. So f of 12 means take this function right here and plug a 12 in. So it'll be 9 times 12 plus 6 over 12, parentheses around that, minus, and then same thing here. Now plug in a 6. So it's 9 times 6 plus 6 over 6, all over 12 minus 6. Okay, so we can go type that into our calculator. 9 times 12 plus 6 over 12. 9 times 12 plus 6 over 12. 9 times 12 plus 6 over 12. There's the first one, minus. Then we better put parentheses in. 9 times 12 plus 6 over 12. Minus 9 times 6 plus 6 over 6. 9 times 6 plus 6 over 6. Goes on the bottom is 12 minus 6. What do we get? That number right there. Um, we could do it as a fraction. I like to go with fractions one again. 107 over 12. 107 over 12. So we get 107 over 12. Okay, so that's the slope. That's the slope. That's the mean value slope. So what? Well, what does the mean value theorem say? It says if you take the derivative of this function, let's do that now. Let's take the derivative. Make that a little bit better. Let's take this. This is the derivative. As you take that function and you take its derivative. So where's the function? It's right there. 9x plus 6x to the minus 1. So take the derivative. You're going to get 9 because this 1 power comes down, subtract 1's gone. Minus 6 because that negative 1 comes down. X to the minus 2, right? Subtract 1 from the power. There's the derivative. If you set it equal to that 107 over 12 that you just got and solve for x, you'll get an answer, x, somewhere in the interval between 6 and 12. Let's do it and see if it's true. I mean, it is true. Let's prove it's true. We get minus 6x to the minus 2 equals, I'm going to type all this into the calculator in a minute, minus 9, and then just divide by, both sides by, minus 6, boom. Okay, 107 over 12 minus 9. Oh, minus 9 over minus 6. Minus 9 over minus 6. Just take the answer. Answer. Try that again. Parenthesis. Answer. Minus 9 over divided by minus 6. Is that right? Answer minus 9 over minus 6. Yeah, there we go. Enter. So there's the right side. What is that, a fraction now still? It's 1 over 72. So I'm just doing the right side. This is 1 over 72. How do we solve that? Now, remember a negative power means it jumps to the bottom. So the boss is 1 over x squared, x to the positive 2, is 1 over 72, right? And diagonal, 1 times 72 is 1 times x squared. So x squared is 72. Root it, root it. You don't need to do the plus or minus. Why not? Normally you do, right? Roof of the house up and down the ladder. But we're looking for an answer between 6 and 12. 6 and 12. So we don't need the negative. So positive root 72. You could hit the buttons on your calculator and find out what that is. Root 7, root 72. See how it's between 6 and 12? It's 8.4852. 8.4852. 8.4852. See how it does come out to be a number between 6 and 12. You can just give them square root of 72. You can simplify it or just give them 8.4852. That is our answer. They gave 6 root 2. Same thing. It's another way to say the same thing. It did come out to be a number. The point is between 6 and 12. That's what the mean value theorem guarantees, that you'll get some value um, between 6 and 12. And we got it. And so there we go.